Welcome to Car Care Zone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects all of us, fuel myths. You might think you know how to save money at the pump, but many common beliefs about fuel are nothing more than myths. In this video, we're debunking 15 fuel myths that could be costing you money. So, buckle up and let's get started. Let's face it, fuel costs are a significant part of our monthly expenses. With prices fluctuating, you may be looking for ways to stretch your dollar further. But beware, some of the advice you hear might actually do more harm than good. You don't want to fall for these myths and end up wasting your hard-earned cash. 1. You should run your tank low before refueling. Some drivers think that running their tank close to empty helps clean the fuel system. In reality, this practice can lead to sediment buildup in the fuel tank, which could clog your fuel filter and injectors. It's always best to refuel before your tank gets too low to avoid potential damage. 2. Fuel additives are necessary. Some people swear by fuel additives, believing they're essential for engine health. While certain additives can be beneficial for specific issues, most modern fuels already contain detergents and additives to keep your engine clean. Unless your mechanic specifically recommends a certain product, you're likely spending money unnecessarily. 3. Premium fuel equals better performance. One of the most prevalent myths is that using premium fuel will enhance your vehicle's performance. While high-performance cars might require it, most vehicles are designed to run perfectly fine on regular unleaded. If your car doesn't explicitly require premium fuel, using it is just a waste of money. Think of it this way. If your car runs smoothly on regular, why pay the extra dollars for premium? 4. Driving faster saves time and fuel. It might seem logical that driving faster would get you to your destination quicker and save fuel, but in reality, the opposite is often true. Fuel efficiency usually decreases significantly at speeds above 55 miles per hour. So, the next time you're tempted to speed, remember that you're likely wasting fuel and putting your safety at risk. 5. You should always fill up your tank. Many believe that keeping your tank full is the best strategy. However, consistently filling up can lead to unnecessary expenses, especially if you're not driving much. Additionally, the weight of a full tank can slightly reduce fuel efficiency. Instead, consider filling up when prices are lower or when you're about a quarter tank full. 6. You should always use the same brand of fuel. Many believe that switching fuel brands can lead to engine problems. While each brand may have different additives, modern engines are built to handle a variety of fuels. As long as the fuel meets the required standards and octane rating for your vehicle, you can save money by shopping around for the best prices. 7. Idling saves fuel. You've probably heard the advice that idling is better than turning your car off and on again. This myth could not be further from the truth. Idling actually wastes fuel. In fact, turning off your engine if you're parked for more than a minute can save you money in the long run. Next time you're waiting in line or parked, consider turning off your engine. 8. Buying gas in the morning saves money. You might have heard that purchasing gas early in the day is the best time, as it's cooler and denser. However, the difference in temperature is negligible and won't significantly impact your savings at the pump. Instead, focus on other strategies, like shopping around for the best prices. 9. Using the AC decreases fuel efficiency. While it's true that using the AC can slightly decrease fuel efficiency, this doesn't mean you should sweat it out. At lower speeds, it's often more fuel efficient to use the AC than to roll down the windows, which can create drag. The key is to balance your comfort with efficiency based on your driving conditions. 10. You should only change your oil when it's dark. There's a common myth that you should wait until your oil looks dirty to change it. In reality, it's better to follow your manufacturer's recommendations on oil changes, which are often based on mileage rather than the oil's appearance. Ignoring regular oil changes can lead to engine issues that will cost you much more in the long run. 11. High-octane fuel cleans your engine. Some people believe that using higher-octane fuel will clean their engines. The truth is, octane ratings indicate how resistant fuel is to knocking, not its cleaning properties. If your vehicle doesn't require high-octane fuel, using it won't provide any additional benefits. Stick to the fuel your engine was designed for. 12. Ethanol is bad for your car. Ethanol has received a bad rap, with many believing it's harmful to engines. In reality, most vehicles can handle a blend of ethanol without issues. While older cars may struggle, modern engines are designed to use E10, 10% ethanol, without problems. Unless you have a classic car, you're likely fine using fuel with ethanol. 13. Gasoline doesn't expire. Many people think gasoline is a forever product. However, gasoline can degrade over time, especially if left in storage. If you have a vehicle or equipment that sits in use for long periods, consider using a fuel stabilizer or draining the fuel to prevent issues later on. 14. More horsepower means better fuel economy. This myth suggests that having a more powerful engine will automatically lead to better fuel efficiency. However, more horsepower typically means more fuel consumption. A balance between power and efficiency is crucial, and it's essential to choose a vehicle that fits your driving needs without compromising fuel economy. 15. Using synthetic oil is just a marketing ploy. While synthetic oil can be more expensive, it's far from a marketing gimmick. Synthetic oil offers better protection, especially in extreme temperatures, and can improve fuel efficiency. If your vehicle recommends synthetic oil, it's a worthwhile investment for long-term engine health and performance. Now that we've debunked these common fuel myths, you may be wondering how to apply this knowledge to save money and improve your driving experience. Here are some actionable tips to keep in mind. First, always consult your owner's manual for your vehicle's specific fuel and maintenance recommendations. This will help you make informed decisions about what fuel to use and when to perform routine maintenance. Second, consider driving habits that can improve fuel efficiency. Gentle acceleration and braking can make a significant difference in fuel consumption. Additionally, maintaining a steady speed and using cruise control on highways can further enhance your fuel economy. Third, be proactive about your vehicle's maintenance. Regular oil changes, air filter replacements, and tire rotations can help keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. A well-maintained vehicle is far more fuel efficient than one that's neglected. Finally, shop around for the best gas prices. Utilize apps and websites that track fuel prices in your area, allowing you to find the best deals. Just remember to balance the distance you travel for cheaper gas with the fuel you'll use getting there. As we conclude today's video, remember that knowledge is power. By debunking these fuel myths, you can save money, improve your vehicle's performance, and contribute to a more sustainable future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Car Care Zone for more tips and tricks to keep your ride in top shape. Feel free to comment below with any other fuel myths you've heard or any personal experiences you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay informed.